So how to get a discount on Go.Compare. So in this video, I'm just going to show you a strategy on how you can get a discount off any of your Go.Compare insurances, such as car insurance and home insurance. So you don't need to enter any discount codes or anything like that, but what you will need to do is head to a website called TopCashback, and I'll leave a link below in the description. TopCashback, to quickly explain, is a cashback website that gives you cashback off of any of your online shopping. Plenty of things you buy online are listed here, such as flights, hotels, and of course car and home insurance with Go.Compare, which is what we'll cover in this video. So once you've clicked the link in the description, you should come across a page which looks like this, and you simply just want to go ahead and sign up. It is also worth mentioning, for using my link in the description, you'll also be awarded with the £10 sign up bonus as well, so make sure you click the link below, and once you've signed up, we can then run through step by step on how to get a discount with Go.Compare. So once you've signed up to TopCashback, you should come across a homepage which looks like this. And to find Go.Compare, you simply just want to use the search bar right here, type in Go.Compare and click search. And as you can see here, you can get cashback with Go.Compare across car insurance, home insurance, travel insurance, and of course van insurance. So for the example of this video, let's click on the car insurance option. And once you've done that, it should open you up to this page here. And as you can see, you can get £36 in cashback from your Go.Compare car insurance. So the way this works is Go.Compare and TopCashback have an affiliation. So this basically means if you purchase your Go.Compare car insurance through TopCashback, you'll get £36 in cashback once you purchase your Go.Compare car insurance. So essentially, whatever your car insurance is, you'll get £36 off once you have checked out. So it's a considerable discount and especially worth doing. But anyway, moving on to the main part of the video. To go ahead and claim your discount, you just want to go ahead and click on the red button that says get £36 cashback. Then once you've done that, it will then pull you through to this page here, which as you can see, it's pulled us through to the Go.Compare website. So then from here, you simply just want to go ahead and purchase your car insurance from here. So one thing that is very important is you must make sure that you make the insurance purchase using the same tab that TopCashback opens up, as that's what links the sale to your account, which in turn is how you get your cashback from Go.Compare. Once you've purchased your Go.Compare insurance, there's nothing more you need to do, and it's simply just a waiting game just to be notified from TopCashback that they have tracked your sale to your account. In most cases, this will only take about 10 to 20 minutes, but in some other cases it can take an hour or two, so just keep an eye on your TopCashback account, as that will notify you when your sale has been tracked. But when it has tracked, if you go back to your TopCashback account, you should get a notification by this bell icon right here to confirm that it has been tracked, and you should also see a balance update right here, as this will tell you what is in your TopCashback account. So if you go up to accounts here, select on earnings, and then it should tell you right from here how much cashback you're due to get back from Go.Compare, which in this case, as you can see, is £36. So right now, as you can see, it says pending, so it can take a few weeks in order for it to be paid out, but if you keep an eye on your TopCashback account, you will be notified on when it will become payable. So it shouldn't take any more than a few weeks, and you can keep an eye on your progress from this dashboard here. And the best thing about this method as well is you can do it as many times as you like. So obviously if you get yearly car insurance, you can come back to this method every year, do exactly the same thing again, and keep on getting the discount. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.